All right, folks, good morning. This is Marcel. This is Amtrak 529 headed to San Jose Dearborn Station. Here it comes. 2123 is the SC44 Steamer Charger leading. Once again, Amtrak 529. Now approaching the Oakland Coliseum Amtrak station. With the female driver right there. I think this one's 2123 with Mount Whitney 8301. Yep, that's it. All right, folks, we'll be right back after these commercial breaks. All right, folks, we are back. This is the Amtrak 529 Capital Corridor train going to San Jose Dearborn Station. SC44 Steamer Charger 2123 leading on the point. CAT card for this one is 8301 Mount Whitney. So once again, this is Amtrak Capital Corridor train 529. About to highball out of here momentarily. Looks like we got an issue here waiting. A301 Mount Whitney. All right, folks, they got that train on its way to San Jose. Train number 2 going to San Jose. I'm Marcel Hall. Have a good Friday. Happy Friday right now. The Coast Starlight train number 11 is running 2 hours late. The 528 train is about to be here about another 5 minutes, so stay tuned for those videos. Bye-bye. All right, folks, we're back again. This is Amtrak 528 going to Sacramento, the Capital Corridor train. Oh boy, not again. This is 8310 Mount Hamilton leading off with 2105. Once again, Amtrak 528 Capital Corridor train with my stalker 8310 Mount Hamilton leading on the point. All right, folks, this train is making a station stop here. We'll be right back after these commercial break. All right, folks, Amtrak 528 highballing out of here with my stalker 8310. That's a Mount Hamilton. One of these days, Mount Hamilton, you got to go on the Capital Corridor line. You had to go to the San Joaquin line. You've been on the Capital Corridor line for a long time. So the SC44 Steamer Charger telling the back is 2105. All right, folks, there it goes to Sacramento. All right, folks, I'm Marcel Hall. Have a good one. Happy Friday, Sushi Friday, Chicken Friday. Once again, 8310 Mount Hamilton, just go on the San Joaquin line. Get the Capital Corridor a break. Get the line a break, please. Thank you. Bye-bye.